Cubes of steak are seared in a hot skillet and then returned to a pan with garlic and butter together with some cubes of cooked potatoes. Parsley is added to make this simple and delicious dish. Today on Cravings for Adventures, we're going to be making a really simple dish. We're going to be making my butter and garlic steak bites. This recipe comes together in no time. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. The best pan to use is a cast iron skillet, as it will stand really well up to heat. The first thing I will do is add some olive oil and cook up a cup of cubed potatoes. I've made sure to cut the potatoes the same size as the beef. Cook this on all sides. Now I'm going to add 1 pound, that's approximately 454 grams of sirloin steak cubes, and I'm going to add these in as well. I'm going to cook this in batches and I'm going to turn them after they sear and cook them for no more than 2 to 3 minutes. You want to make sure that it doesn't overcook, as the beef will be tough. Remove and work on the next batch. Once done, keep them all aside. In the pan, I'm going to add 5 cloves of roasted garlic. I love adding roasted garlic as it's easy to squish and it has a mellow flavor. If using regular garlic, thinly slice it or crush it and add it in. I'm also going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. You know what they say, butter makes everything better. Add the potato back in, followed by the steak. I'm also going to add salt and pepper to taste. And finally, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, and this is ready to serve. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for butter and garlic steak bites. It's so simple to put together and it packs so much flavor. If you love my recipes, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. And most recently, you can also find me on TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care, happy eating. Bye.